This is the installation video for our Polaris RZR cup holder. This is a very simple and quick installation, so let's jump right into it. First things first, let's review what we'll need. The parts supplied in the kit are the main body, attachment arm, two cups, and hardware. For installation, you'll need an 1/8 inch Allen key and two 1/2 inch wrenches. Although it is optional, a bottle of oil-based lubricant may assist the assembly process. Once everything's collected, lay out the main body, attachment arm, and two Allen head screws. Screw the attachment arm to the main body as shown using your 1/8 inch Allen key. Next, grab your cups and lubricant if you choose to use it. I like to spray a small amount of oil on a rag and wipe the outer body of the cups before installing them to the main body. Once that's done, remove the adhesive's protective top layer. The cup can now be shimmied into place on the main body. Now just repeat the process for the other cup, and then we're ready to head to the RZR. Head over to your passenger grab handle and note the pin at its rear. Pop the clip off its end and pull the pin out of the other side. The grab handle can now be extended to reveal the holes where the cup holder will bolt into. Go ahead and reinstall the pin, then lay the cup holder in position. Grab your hex bolt, nut, washers, and 1/2 inch wrenches and install and tighten the bolt into your selected hole. The installation is now finished. For more information on product offerings, warranties, and more, contact us using the email or phone number in the description below. Thank you for choosing L&W Fab & Machine.